today we are making a smoothie with some basic products you'll find at Publix and Walmart. So let's get to it. First, we're going to dump our mangoes in my Ninja cup. You can use your Ninja cup. Add in some strawberries. Be generous with the amount that you put. So we're gonna add some pineapples from Publix. I didn't put too many since there is no space apparently in this little cup. Time to put stuff away, and again this was from Publix and it was $12 for a whole fruit bowl. So now we're gonna close this up and get ready to blend this bad boy. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it just a little bit. Let's get it. Alright, so as you can see, this is taking more time than expected because it was frozen. So we had to add some more water. Definitely add water. Be generous with that as well so you can get a smooth smoothie, or else it's going to be frozen, frothy, weird looking also. And just shake it up and blend it again. And I also had some technical difficulties, as you can see. Just keep blending and it should get smooth. I don't know what this is missing. Need add more water, give me some sugar, so we'll be back. Smoothie, good to go. Let's see how this looks. Alright, let's use this cup. And there we have it, my strawberry mango pineapple smoothie. Alright guys, if you liked the video, like, subscribe, share with your loved ones, and make the smoothie. Let me know how you guys like it. If you tried it, leave a comment below. Peace.